another potential thing that I've noticed is that I don't think this table is aligned, which is why the printer isn't working as it's supposed to. If you look at this, it's not in the middle. Again, it's not in the middle. Now I did try to do some stuff here with these and up down here, but it's not fixing anything. And if I turn this on, you'll see that the table moves when I set it to the home position. So when I set it to the home position, I'm going to keep the tablet very, very steady, and you will see that at the home position, it's just moving slightly, and it's not fitting well. You see the table is going up, so at the home it should be always straight. It shouldn't go up when it's touching the head, but when it touches the head, the table is slightly slanted. So if I go down, right, and then I go back up, and I hold it very steady. You see that? It's just not straight. It's just not working at all. I don't know what to do now. I haven't been able to print anything yet, and I'm getting quite annoyed.